चलो पहले क्लास में बॉयज लड़की लड़कियों से शुरू किए थे, इसमें बॉयज से शुरू करते हैं, ठीक है। सतीश भैया आ जाओ, आ जाओ, आराम से आराम से आराम से आ जाओ, तू आ जाओ रे, आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ, सर ने सबके लिए बन रहा है। हम है ना, हम सिखाएंगे ना, हम है ना, हेल्प करेंगे, तबीयत बढ़िया हो जाएगा। आ जाओ आ जाओ, और हम है ना, चलो आ जाओ, तुम आ जाओ रे, तुम आ जाओ, तुम आराम से आना गुड्डू। पहले ये ले माइक लगा दोनों। तुम्हें चिंता नहीं करना है भाई, गलती करेगा तब तो सही होगा, ठीक है। हाँ भाई देख लो, हाँ जल रहा लाइट
पूछ ले लेगा,
ठीक है भाई, कर लेगा आवाज के अच्छा इधर लगा लेगा, ठीक है। अरे सामने फाइट, इसको बाहर रखो ना, सब
बाहर है, माइक बाहर है।
चल देखो उधर, ठीक है ठीक है। अब देखो क्या करना है, जो बेसिकली जानते हैं शुरू से, गलत सही का परवाह नहीं करना, ठीक है। सब सीखने के लिए है, गलती करेगा तो ही सीखेगा, ठीक है। शुरू करो। हाय,
Hi,
Hello,
how are you?
I am fine, and you?
I am also fine.
also
What is
fine.
your name?
Go.
My name is Golu Kumar, and your name?
My name is Satish Kumar. What
What
is your
is-
father's name?
My father's name is Sri Kosiswar Singh. What is your mother? What is your mother? What is your mother?
My mother is a good housewife. And your mother?
My mother is a good also
2 इंच और
housewife.
तू पीछे हो जा, बस ठीक, आराम से, ठीक है। बोलो, व्हाट इज योर फादर?
What is your father?
My father is a farmer.
And your father?
What is your? I am.
My father is
My father is businessman.
businessman. Are you happy?
Are you happy?
Yes, I am happy
Why are you happy?
Why are you happy?
because I am not sad. So I am happy.
Are you intelligent?
Are you intelligent?
Yes, I am intelligent
शांत रहो।
Why are you intelligent?
because I am not fully
So,
so intelligent.
I am intelligent. Are you doctor?
Are you doctor?
No, I am not doctor.
Are you?
Why are you not doctor?
Why-
आराम से बोलो ना रे। Why are you not a doctor?
Why are you not a doctor?
Because I am a student, so I am not
Not a
doctor.
doctor. Are you a student?
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student
Why are you a
Why
student?
are you a student?
because I am
A study.
a study,
So,
so I am
a
a student.
Ask me question.
Ask me question.
पूछो तुम।
You are tall.
Are you tall?
Are you?
Are you tall?
अरे इधर सुनो ना, यही चीज फिर तुमको
I am
सिखाना रहता है।
Why are you not tall?
Tall.
Because
I am short.
I am short.
So,
So
I am tall.
I am-
I am not tall.
I am not tall.
Are you sad?
Are you
No.
sad? I am not sad.
I am not sad.
Why are you not sad?
Because
Because
I am happy.
I am happy.
देखो
so I
तो
am
दूसरे
not
सिखाने
sad.
के लिए तैयार है, बोल।
Are you happy?
Yes, I am happy.
बोलो।
Why are you happy?
ये बंद कर दे भाई, देख वो भी बंद कर दे।
Because I am not sad, so I am happy.
Have you से पूछो, have you pen?
Have you a pen?
Yes, I have a pen.
Why have you a pen?
Because I am a student, so,
So I have a pen.
have.
Have you a bicycle?
Yes, I have a bicycle.
Why have you a bicycle?
Because I am a student, so I have
I
a
have a
bicycle.
bicycle.
Have you seen the Taj Mahal?
No, I have not seen the Taj Mahal.
Why have you not seen the Taj Mahal?
Because
I'm not go to Agra.
I am not go to Agra,
So-
so I am
Not seen the
seen the Taj
Taj
Mahal.
Mahal.
Have
Ask
you
me question.
Ask me a
पूछो
question.
तुम, have you से?
Have you a car?
No, I have no
I have
car.
not a car.
Why you?
Because
why
I
you
am
have not?
I
I have no
I
enough
have
money.
no enough money, so I have no
not
car.
a car. अब फिर छोड़ देंगे बैठल बोलने वाले को, बोलो। Have you a pen?
Have you a pen?
Yes, I have a pen.
Why have you a pen?
Why have you a pen?
Because I am a student, so I have a pen.
I have a
Have
car.
you a bicycle?
Have you a bicycle?
Yes, I have a bicycle.
Why have you a
Why?
bicycle?
Because I am a student, so I have a bicycle.
कुछ अभी से तनी सा प्रैक्टिस कर लेते, ठीक है। Are you playing?
Are you playing?
Yes, I am
No.
playing.
क्या तुम खेल रहे हो? No.
No,
I am not playing.
I am not playing.
पूछो, why are you not playing?
Why are you not playing?
Because
Because
I am talking to you.
I am talking to you.
So I am not playing.
I am not playing.
Are you dancing?
Are you dancing?
No,
No.
I am not dancing.
Dancing. Why are you not dancing?
Why are you not dancing?
Because I am talking with you.
I am talking with you.
So
I am not dancing.
Are you going to market?
Are you going to market?
Yes, I am going.
ए, बाजार जा रहा है।
No,
No.
no,
I am not going to market.
I am not
Why are you
going
not
to market.
Why are you not going to market?
Why are you not going
To market. Because
Because
I am
I am
reading
reading
and speaking.
and speaking.
So I am not going to
I
market.
am not go to market.
तुम पूछो इसे। Are you playing cricket?
Are you playing cricket?
No, I am
No,
not.
I am not playing cricket.
I am not. playing cricket.
Why are you not playing cricket?
Why are you not playing cricket?
Because
Because
I am
I am
talking with you.
talking with you.
Talking
with you.
So I'm not playing cricket.
not
Are you
playing
eating?
Are you eating?
No.
No,
I am not eating.
Why are you not eating?
Because I am talking with you.
I am talking with you.
So I am not eating.
I am not eating.
So what are you doing?
What are you doing?
Yeah.
तुम क्या कर रहे हो? I am talking with you.
talking with you.
ठीक है, अब दूरत से पूछो तनी. Do you speak English?
Do you speak
Yes,
English?
I am speaking
I
English.
speak
I speak English.
Why do you speak
Why do
English?
you speak English?
Because
I
English I learn English.
I learn English,
So
so
I
I
speak
speak
English.
English.
Why do you learn
Why do
English?
you learn English?
Because English is important.
English is important.
So I learn English.
I learn
Do you
English.
like English?
Do you like
Yes, I learn English.
Yes, I like English.
Yes, I like English.
Why do you like
Why do
English?
you like English?
Because I want to learn English.
I want to learn English,
So I like English.
I like English.
ए लड़की, ये चीज थोड़ा सिखाएंगे यहाँ लाके. तो समझ जाता है. पूछो इसे. Do you speak English?
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
Why
Why do you speak
why do you speak English?
Because
I learn English.
I learn English.
So I speak
I
English.
speak English.
Why do you learn English?
Why do you learn English?
Because
Because
English is important.
English is important.
So I learn English.
learn
Do you play cricket?
Do you play cricket?
Yes, I play cricket.
Why
Why
do
do
you
you
play
play cricket?
Because
Cricket is my favorite game.
cricket is my favorite game.
So I play cricket. Do you like cricket?
Do you like cricket?
Yes, I like.
Why do you like cricket?
Because
cricket is my favorite game.
cricket is my favorite game.
And I play cricket.
I like play cricket.
Arey, I play cricket.
I play cricket.
So I like cricket.
I like cricket.
Do you love your mother?
Do you love your mother?
Yes, I love your
I
mother.
love my mother. ये बोलेगा योर तुम्हें बोलना है माई. I love my mother.
I love my
Why
mother.
do you love your mother?
Because
My
mother
mother
takes
is-
care of me.
Takes care of me.
So I love my mother. Do you love your father?
Do you love your father?
Yes, I love my father.
love
Why
my
do you
father.
love your father?
Because
my father
takes care of
me. So I love my
Do you
mother.
love your brother?
Yes,
Yes.
I love your brother.
Why do
I
you
love
your
my brother.
I love my brother.
Why do you love
your brother?
Because
My brother
helps me.
helps me.
So I love my
I
Do
brother.
you love your sister?
Yes, I love my sister.
Why do you love your sister?
Because
My sister,
my sister helps
me.
me.
So I love my sister. अब तुम पूछो. Do you know how to cook food?
Do you know how to cook food?
क्या तुम्हें खाना बनाने आता है? Yes,
Yes,
I know
I know
how to cook
how
food.
to cook food.
Do you know how to swim?
Do you not?
Do you know
Do you know
how to swim?
how to swim?
No.
Yes, no,
No,
I don't know
I don't know
how to swim.
how to swim.
Do you know how to play cricket?
Do you know how to
Play cricket.
Yes,
I know
I know
how to play cricket.
how to play cricket.
Do you know
Do you know
how to speak English?
how to speak English?
Yes,
I know
I know
how to
how to
speak English.
speak English.
Do you speak Hindi?
Do you speak Hindi?
Yes.
I speak Hindi.
Why do you speak
Why do
Hindi?
you speak Hindi?
अरे अब इतना जोर से ना प्लीज
Hindi is mother.
साउंड में आ जाए.
Hindi is mother language.
So
I speak English.
Do you speak Bhojpuri?
Do you speak Bhojpuri?
No,
I don't speak
I
Bhojpuri.
don't speak Bhojpuri.
Why do you not
Why
speak
do you not
Bhojpuri?
know?
Because
I
I don't know
don't know
Bhojpuri.
Bhojpuri.
So
So
I don't speak
I don't speak
Bhojpuri.
Bhojpuri.
पूछो. Tell me about yourself.
Tell me about yourself.
My name is Satish Kumar.
हाँ,
My
इधर
father's
बोलिए,
name is
इधर
Yogi Singh.
हाँ.
My mother's name is Kusalya Devi. My father is a farmer. My mother is a good housewife. I am 15 years old.
हाँ.
That's all.
Tell me about yourself.
Tell me about yourself.
My name is Golubon. My father's name is Mr. Kosaswar Singh. My mother's name is
Ram Ram.
Mr. Sunaina Devi.
थोड़ा ना.
I come from Dhrampur Bande.
थोड़ा हंसी आता है थोड़ा.
I read in class 11th. That's all.
That's all. ठीक है. What is your topic?
What is your topic?
कुछ बोलो ना चैलेंज क्या है? What is your topic?
What is your
My topic is a temple.
Temple. बोलो. There is
There is
an old temple
an old temple
in my village.
in my village.
It is very famous temple.
It is a very famous temple.
I go to temple
I go to temple
with my mother
with my mother
in a big.
in a week.
I worship there.
I worship there.
That's all.
That's all.
What is your topic?
What is your topic?
ना आया था तो
Yeah.
topic खा गेला. Is there
Is there
a temple
a temple
in your village?
in your village?
कोई मंदिर है?
Yes.
Yes. There are
There are
many temples
many temples
in my village.
in my village.
Do you like temples?
Do you like temple?
Yes, I like temple.
Why do you
Why
like
do you
temple?
like temple?
Because I worship
I worship
in temple.
in temple.
So I like temple.
I like
Do you go to temple?
Do you go to temple?
Yes,
I
I
go
go to
Why do
temple.
you go to temple?
Because
Because
I worship.
I
I
worship
worship in
in
temple.
temple.
So I go to
I
temple.
go to-
तुम पूछो इससे. Do you go to temple?
Yes.
Do you go to
Do you go to
temple?
Yes, I go to temple.
Do you go to temple every day?
क्या?
Do you
Do you
go to
go to
temple
temple
every day?
No.
I don't go to
I
temple
don't go to temple
every day.
every day
बोलो, why do you not go to temple
Why do you not go to temple
every day?
every day?
Because
because
I go to temple
I go to temple
sometimes.
sometimes.
So I don't go to
I
temple
don't go to temple
every day.
every day.
Do you like the temple?
Do you like the
Yes,
temple?
I like the temple.
Why do you like the
Why
temple?
do you like the temple?
Because in temples
in temple
gods live.
live.
So I like the temple.
I like the temple.
Do you worship God?
Do you worship God?
क्या तुम भगवान की पूजा करते हो? Yes.
Yes.
I worship
I worship
God.
gods.
Which God do you like most?
Which God
Do you like most?
Like
Do you
most.
like most?
do you like most?
I like most.
I like most.
बोलो
I like most
कौन भगवान? तो गणेश जी,
बजरंग वाले.
बजरंग बली। ठीक, चलो ठीक है तुम दोनों।